Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Uh, I've been here in Dubai for 7 years. Now I'm almost 7 years here in Dubai. Mm. I'm working as a nanny and house cleaner like that.
Okay. What do you usually do as a nanny or maid?
Um, I prepare children's breakfast in the morning, food like that. Then sometimes I pick up them in the school. Then after coming home, I feed them. Then I change the dress, like normal mother is doing to their children.
How many members are they in the family?
8
How old are the children?
children are 8, 5, 4, and 1.
Okay. How do you comfort children?
By playing them, by making fun like jokes.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm reading stories. Then so after some helping them in their homework at home, and then some bring them to the park.
Okay.
Then I'm making some like my toys like made from something I'm thinking to make them happy.
Okay.
Then
Okay. What do children like best about you?
maybe I'm funny because I'm always joking with them. They are telling, "Why are you acting like a child?" Oh, because I want you to be happy. Then they will laugh like that. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm sometimes I
All right. How do you discipline children?
oh I will tell them very carefully, slowly like this, and sometimes I will tell them one story. See, like this, something happened like this, then they will listen. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay, that's not good. Okay, next time don't do it like that.
Okay.
Just how I discipline my own children. Mm.
All right. What activities do you like doing with kids?
Uh, playing, yeah, playing like that. Yeah, I like to play with them.
Okay. Do you think you are flexible and easygoing?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay. How much is your basic salary expectation?
Now I'm receiving 2,000 salary, but I'm asking for food allowance.
Okay. What is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or
Oh,
babysitting?
cleaning, cleaning and ironing is my. I
Okay.
like it so much.
Okay. What type of food can you cook?
Uh, I cannot cook. Maybe after reading the menu, I can do it.
Okay. In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
This sometimes see he will cry too much, then hot eyes like that, and some hands are hot like this,
Okay.
and breath is different, not normal.
Okay. What is your first action when a child cries out loud?
Oh, I will carry him. I will carry him. Then if he will not stop crying, I will give him something to attract like
Okay.
this.
What is the first thing you will do when the child gets sick?
Mm, I will take that there is always temperature.
Okay. What things do you like doing when you are free?
Uh, I'm reading my Bible because I'm a I'm a Bible reader.
Okay.
So,
How many years do you want to work in UAE?
as long as I can work because I have nothing to do at home. My children are big. They need me, but I think if I earn money, I can also send them.
Okay. Do you think you will be a good full-time maid or nanny?
Yeah, because I know myself. Employer before I have employer, I'm 4 years with them. Now
Okay.
also I don't have. I'm not fighting, but I want to work happily and peacefully because I'm honest and a very cheerful nanny.
Okay. Do you have any message to your future employer?
Yeah. Hello, madam. How are you? If you will able to hire me, I will try my best to do my work sincerely and honestly to you. You can trust me. Uh, you can leave me alone in the house because I'm a very honest person. I'm very faithful because I'm always praying for God. I know what is good and what is bad.
Okay, thank you and nice talking to you.